if you want to go fishing with a good fisherman. They know all the good spots. They know how to land all the good fish. So that's why people like to go to places with people who've been there, who know how to fish. So go fishing with all the good fishermen. And when you go find a good fisherman who knows all the spots, or he or she, if they know the right spots and you continue going with them in that direction, you're probably going to end up catching a lot of fish. So much in the same way, I want to teach you guys how to fish on your own. Not just follow me and fish where I fish, because we're going to saturate those areas. But if you know a good fisherman, and the same thing can be said for someone who's in sales, if you know where all the good fish are, where the big fish and the small fish are, and you go there on a great day or a foggy day or a windy day, it doesn't matter whatever day it is, but if you go there and you know where all the fish are, isn't it worthwhile to catch all those fish yourself? Or in case there's too many fish for there at one person, you may need multiple people to go catch those fish. But it's always more helpful if you know someone who is also a good fisherman. And a good fisherman always sees another good fisherman from a faraway place. You can always recognize those guys who are great at sales, who are good at closing, because they're hustlers. And they know how to go find the information. They know how to go research where they're going to go. And they know where the swim are fishing and what the fish are looking for. So much in the same way that a fisherman goes out to the middle of a lake with his boat and finds that good spot and fishes out there for 8 hours a day, and pulls in 36 different fish, probably more than he could feed his entire family. And so just like that in sales and in digital marketing, you have to know where to fish, guys. You don't need to go and do sales funnels and do paid ads or digital. We don't do any of that stuff right now. All we focus on is an offline plan where we go out there and we introduce ourselves. We know where to fish. We know where all the fish are. And so we go to these places, we research them, and we identify places on a map that are businesses that we want to target. And then when we find out what those businesses are, and they meet the criteria that we're looking for, then we go fishing. And it's a lot cheaper for us. We're not spending thousands of dollars every single month on paid ads and competing with everyone else. We're fishing in all the right spots, and some of the fish are big, $50 million in revenue company fish, and some of them are small, solopreneur fish who are $150,000, but they're still high ticket clients for us because the services we offer are value added, whether they're building websites or building e-commerce solutions or going digital, social media, making content, building articles, blog, rewriting websites or website pages. There are so many different things for us to do. So we like to go and catch these big fish and small fish, but the more important thing is we know where to go find really good fish. So if you guys want to go fishing, learn how to become a good fisherman or a good fisherwoman. Learn how to become a good fisherman. Know where the spots are. Know what your strategy is. And make sure you do your research. Find out what's a good place. Find out where other people are going, where they're not going, why they're going there, why they're not going there. Find out where we're going. Find out what we're doing. And that'll be a good strategy for you, because once you know that, then you can apply that in your local city or your country or wherever you are. Just use the exact same strategy and apply it there. And I bet you'll have the exact same success, because you can apply that same fisherman mentality that I'm giving you right now to your area and have immense success in your own business there, starting and growing your own agency. That's it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Make sure you guys subscribe to this channel, hit that bell notification button, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.